Okay, welcome to part 3 of this video, and this video we're going to actually do the part where it starts testing them on their times table. And because we want the code to sort of run 12, the same sort of code to run 12 times, we're actually going to use a iteration. In this case we're going to use repeat. Okay, and we're going to repeat it not 10 times but 12 times. Okay. The next part is we actually the multiple, so that if I go back, I'm going to using this table for you. If we look at the variable multiple, that is going to control the 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Okay, so if we go back to here and we go to our variables, okay, and we want to every time we run this, go back to the beginning, so it's going to loop, it's going to up it by 1. So the multiple, okay, so change the multiple is going to change by 1. So the first time it runs, okay, it's going to be 1 times, and it's going to go through all the code, and then it goes back to the beginning, and it's going to add another one to that multiple, which was 1, value of 1, to 2 times whatever, and then it's going to run through all the code, come back to here, and it's now 3 times whatever, and 4, and so on and so on and so on and so on. So change multiple by 1 every time it loops. And also we want to be able to start saying the multiple. Okay, so let's go to say, so let's say, and we want to say the actual multiple. Okay, the multiple being the 1 times, 2 times, and whatever. Okay, so let's say, go back to data. Okay, say multiple. Okay, okay. The next bit is we want it to wait a little bit, okay, because it's going to fly through this really quickly. So if we just put a little bit delay in there, put a wait 1 second, okay, and then we need to say the times bit. So it's going to, at the moment, it's going to say 1, and that's it. And we want the times bit, so let's put in say, okay, say times, all right, okay, and then probably wait a second, okay, and then we want to say their number, okay, so it's going to be, when this is running after this bit here, it's going to say 1 times, and we want to know what their number was. So the number is here. Their variable is called number. So we want to say it out loud. Okay. So say the number. Okay. Say num. So it'd be, for the first go, it'd be 1 times and whatever they put in. So if you put in 7, it would say 7. 1 times 7. Okay. And then the next bit is we're going to put in another wheel wait, okay, and then we're going to ask them the questions, and we're going to say like is 1 times whatever is. So if we do another say, I'm going to put that there, okay, put is, okay, and then we're going to wait another second, okay. And the next part is quite a complicated part, okay, but what I want you to do, okay, is I want you just to play this and see how it works at the moment. See if what's your name, Mr. C, hello Mr. C, and it will say what's your times table, what number do you want. So we're going to say 8 times table. 8, 1 times 8 is 2. Now because it's, can you see it's looping now, so it's going down the code. 3 is, and then it's going back to adding on 1. 4 times 8 is, and then it's going back adding 1 on. Can you see how it's working? Alright, so that's the end of part 3, and hope you've got that code as well. Thanks for watching.